Hello guys, good evening everyone. So guys, are we live now? Can you able to hear me? Good evening everyone. So just confirm once guys, are we live now or not so that we can able to start. Yeah, okay, perfect. Chalo, let's start then. So guys, welcome everyone. So welcome to 3000 practice problems. Hello Divyanshu, good evening. So guys, let me introduce myself. Myself Praneet Kalyanam. I'm maths educator at Unacademy. I have 10 years experience in teaching IIT-JEE maths. I have worked in Narayana Chena campus Hyderabad and Akash Bangalore, and I am from IIT Roorkee. So today our topic is applications of derivatives. In the previous session we have completed 2020 applications of derivatives problems. So in this class we'll discuss the remaining problems, remaining 2020 previous year questions and 2019 previous year questions we'll complete in this class. So guys, Unacademy Scholarship Assessment Test Series for this week is tomorrow, that is 28th February, Sunday morning, 12 p.m. to 3 p.m. So you can enroll it this for free guys, and you can win scholarship, Unacademy Plus subscription scholarship, you can win it. So this scholarship is for the 10th class students and 11th class students guys. For IIT-JEE 2022 and 2023 aspirants, you can achieve scholarship guys. Unacademy Plus scholarship, you can get it 100%, 75%, 50%, 20%, depending upon your performance. That is depending upon your rank, you can able to achieve this scholarship. So you can enroll by entering this link or clicking this link, or you can enroll it in your learning app also. Hello Shivram, Ashish, how are you man? How was the mains exam, right? How was your score? How many you attempted? March attempt, okay. Okay, Ashish. Okay, that's okay, no problem. So we have next attempt, March attempt we have, so you don't need to worry. So tomorrow evening guys, tomorrow evening we have Unacademy class. We have tomorrow morning 8:30 a.m. we have parabola discussion on Plus platform. We have tomorrow morning 8:30 parabola discussion, and a free platform we have tomorrow evening 7 p.m. Tomorrow evening 7 p.m. we have a class. Okay, not tomorrow, sorry, day after tomorrow guys, Monday. So this is the syllabus for class 11th syllabus for scholarship test, and this is for 9th and 10th students. You can take a screenshot if you want. Right, so coming Sunday, every Sunday we'll have this Unacademy scholarship assessment test. Okay, and if you want to join Plus platform, you can use this referral code and join Plus platform guys. Okay, chalo, let's start then. So in the previous session we completed 16 questions of 2020, and in this class we'll do the remaining questions of 2020 and 2019 questions. We'll finish it. Rapid revision sessions for March. Okay, right, definitely Ashish will plan rapid revision sessions. So for the month of March we'll plan it. From Monday we'll plan it, guys. Definitely we'll plan that. Right, let's do this question. The set of all real values of lambda for which the function has exactly one maxima and one minima. So for that, let's differentiate it and equate it to 0. If I differentiate it, what I get it, guys? F dash x by using u by v rule, 1 minus cos square x. See, 1 minus cos square x, I can directly write it as sine square x, right? I can write this as directly sine square x. So sine square x into differentiation of lambda plus sine x is cos x plus lambda plus sine x into sine square x differentiation is 2 sine x cos x, guys. 2 sine x cos x is equals to 0. If I equate it to 0, how much what we get it, guys? What are the roots we get it? Sin x equals to 0, that is one possibility, or cos x equals to 0, that is a one possibility. Clear? And what else we get it? Remaining part, if you take sin x cos x common, if I take sin x cos x common in every term, we get sin x plus 2 lambda plus 2 sin x, we get it. Okay, that if you equate it to 0, 3 sin x plus 2 lambda should be equals to 0. From this, sin x equals to how much you are getting it? Minus 2 lambda by 3 we are getting it. Clear now? Otherwise, you can calculate lambda value also. You can calculate lambda is equals to 3 sin x minus 3 sin x by 2. This is what we are getting it. So he is saying there is exactly one minima and exactly one maxima. Is there any Unacademy test series for 2021? Yes, Unacademy test series is going on, Samad. You can search it in your learning app. There is a tab called test. You completed all shifts, okay. Shift 1, 200, okay, good. Okay, right. Right, so already here from this we can obtain sin x equals to 0, cos x equals to 0 between minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 means x equals to only 0. I am getting it, guys, between minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. This is only one minima or one maxima. X equals to 0, either will have either one minima or one maxima. So he is asking us to calculate one more minima or maxima. That means we need to get at least 2 critical points. We need 2 critical points. So for that, compulsory this value. What is this value, guys? If this value lies in the interval minus 3 by 2 to minus 3 by 2 to 3 by 2, then we can say that if lambda is equals to minus 3 by 2 to 3 by 2, then we have a solution. But sin x equals to 0 already we have taken. So x equals to 0 we can't take it. If I take x equals to 0, again I'll get same thing. Lambda is equals to 0. If I take it again x equals to 0, I get it. X equals to 0 already we got it. So we should get some other value. That means we need to take lambda value between minus 3 by 2 to 3 by 2 other than 0. So fourth option is going to be the answer. Clear? Right, perfect. Next question. 18th question, x equals to 1 is a critical point of function f of x. So let's differentiate it and equate it to 0. Differentiate it. If you differentiate it, f dash x equals to how much we get it? E power x into 3x square plus ax minus 2 minus a plus its differentiation, which is 6x plus a. Okay, and he is saying it has critical point x equals to 1. X equals to 1 is a critical point, means if I substitute x equals to 1, can I say that f dash 1 is equals to 0? If I calculate f dash 1, how much we get it, guys? E power 1 into 3 plus a minus 2 minus a plus 6 plus a is equals to 0. In that case, what will be the a value, guys? A get cancelled, and what we get it? 9 minus 2, 7. 7 plus a is equals to 0. From this we get a is equals to minus 7. Okay, we calculated a value. Clear? So once we get a value, I can able to calculate f dash x, proper f dash x I can calculate. So now this is going to be e power x into, if I substitute a value minus 7, 3x square and minus 7x plus 6x, which is minus x. And if you substitute a value here, so tell me guys, how much we get it? If you substitute a is equals to minus 7 and minus 2 is equals to 0. Yeah, that's what we're getting it. So now you equate it to 0 guys. If you equate it to 0, what do we get it? If I equate it to 0, x equals to 1 I am getting it. And what is the other root I am getting it? X equals to minus 2 by 3 I am getting it. Okay, these are the critical points we get it guys. But at this critical points, we just want to calculate whether it is having minimum value or maximum value. Okay, so for that we need to calculate f double dash x. Let's calculate f double dash x. F double dash x is going to be e power x into differentiation of this, that is 3x square minus x minus 2 and plus 6x minus 1. So now let's simplify this. F double dash x is e power x into 3x square plus 5x minus 3, we are getting it. Now you can substitute x equals to 1 guys. If you substitute x equals to 1, f double dash 1 is how much? Positive or negative? Tell me. 3 plus 5 minus 3, positive. So positive means what? At x equals to 1, local minimum or local maximum? Fib shift questions, huh? Okay, definitely Ashish. Fib shift questions also we'll discuss. In next class we'll discuss. Class will be till 10:30. Till 10:30 guys. Right, so clearly we can say that at x equals to 1, it is a local minima. So at x equals to 1, local minima. So clearly second option and third option got eliminated. Same way you can check it for at x equals to minus 2 by 3 also. At x equals to minus 2 by 3, so we can calculate f double dash minus 2 by 3. That means we need to substitute x equals to minus 2 by 3 here. So in that case, what do we get it guys? So if I substitute minus 2 by 3, e power minus 2 by 3 into 3 times minus 2 by 3 whole square minus 10 by 3 minus 3. Are we getting negative guys? So clearly we can say that it's negative. So that means maximum at minus 2 by 3. So we can say that maximum at minus 2 by 3, minimum at x equals to 1. So fourth option is the answer guys. Fourth option is the answer. Clear? Exactly. So fourth option is the answer. Next question. Area of the largest rectangle ABCD whose vertices A and B lie on x-axis, vertices C and D lie on this parabola y is equals to x square minus 1 below the x-axis. Okay, so let's draw the graph guys. Let's take it as x-axis and y-axis. So it's a upper parabola, isn't it guys? Isn't it upper parabola? So upper parabola intersecting x-axis at minus 1 comma plus 1. So the graph is, as it is upper parabola, we can draw it something like this. Something like this. Clear? Right. And so now what he's saying is, he's saying ABCD is a rectangle, largest rectangle where A and B are lying on x-axis. So we can take it something like this. You can take it something like this. Here A is there, B is there, and C is there, and D is there. So we need to calculate greatest area of this rectangle. We need to calculate. So what we can do is you can take any point C on this curve guys. Parametric point we'll take it. So x square is equals to y plus 1. Parametric point is what guys? Parametric point, can I take it something like t comma t square minus 1. Can I take any point as a t comma t square minus 1? Correct. Right. So for this, what we can say is, if the point C is a t comma t square minus 1, first we'll calculate this area. This area has to be maximum. See, this area has to be maximum means, see, this length we know it, t, and this length is t square minus 1. So finally we can say that t into t square minus 1 has to be maximum. So this has to be maximum. Otherwise, you can take total area. Total area is 2 times t into t square minus 1. This has to be maximum. This is the area of the rectangle. So now differentiate it with respect to t. 2t cube differentiation is what? 6t square minus 2t differentiation is 2 is equals to 0. In that case, t square is 1 by 3 and t is equals to 1 by root 3. Correct? So now substitute this t value here, you get the required area. So we need to calculate required area. So for that I can substitute t is equals to 1 by root 3 here. So that a of 1 by root 3 is equals to 2 by root 3 into 1 by 3 minus 1. So as it is the area, we need to take modulus of this. So if I take modulus of this, how much we get it, guys? This is 2 by 3. So 2 by 3 into 2 by root 3 is what? 4 by 3 root 3. So where we are getting 4 by 3 root 3? Isn't it fourth option, guys? That's what he is asking. What is the largest area? So we just calculated area in terms of t and we differentiated, equated to 0 and we got the t value as 1 by root 3, and if you substitute t value 1 by root 3, we get the largest value of this area. So fourth option is the answer. Right, next question. F of x is a polynomial of degree 4 having critical points. Okay, critical points are given. So we can calculate f dash x, guys. Let's calculate f dash x. F dash x equals to something like k into x plus 1 into x minus 1. So if you simplify this, k into x cube minus x, I get it. Correct? Right. So now what we can do is we can integrate it on both sides, guys. If I integrate it on both sides, I can calculate f of x. F of x is equals to, if I integrate it, k into x power 4 by 4 minus x square by 2 plus some integral constant c. Is it clear? Right. So now what he is saying is, what are the values of x which satisfies f of x equals to f of 0. So now let's equate f of x equals to f of 0. F of 0 is how much, guys? We can say that f of 0 is equals to c. If I equate it, k into x power 4 by 4 minus x square by 2 plus c is equals to f of 0, c. So now let's cancel this. If I cancel this, what I get it, guys? X power 4 by 4 minus x square by 2 is equals to 0. So from this, how many points we get it, guys? X equals to 0 is 1 point and x square minus 2 is equals to 0. That means x equals to plus or minus root 2. Total 3 values I am getting it, guys. 0, root 2, minus root 2. Minus root 2. Total 3 values I am getting it. Right. Now what he is asking, sum of the squares of all the elements he is asking. What is the sum of the squares of all these elements, guys? Isn't it like 0 square plus root 2 whole square plus minus root 2 whole square? Isn't it 2 plus 2, 4? So 4 is the answer, first option. Clear? So easily we calculated f dash x and integrated f of x, we got it. And what he is saying, f of x equals to f of 0, c got cancelled. And we got the roots as 0 plus or minus root 2. And then sum of the squares we calculated. So first option is the answer. Clear? Okay, let's do this question. So f of x with a polynomial of degree 3 such that f of minus 1 is given and f of 1 is given. F of x has critical point x equals to minus 1 and f dash x has critical point at x equals to 1. Then f of x has a local minima at what point? So as he is saying, it's a third degree equation. So we can take any third degree equation like ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. Let's take it this way. Okay, these are the two conditions we have, and another one is Third condition he gave is f dash minus 1 is equals to 0. And fourth condition is f double dash 1 is equals to 0. So let's calculate f dash x and f double dash x. F dash x is 3a x square plus 2b x plus c. And f double dash x is what, guys? 6a x plus 2b is equals to. So now with the last condition, f double dash 1 is equals to 0. Substitute x equals to 1 here. So 6a plus 2b is equals to 0. So from this I can able to calculate b value. So b is equals to how much? Here we're getting it. B is equals to minus 3a. Okay, this is a value we obtained. Now what is this condition, guys? Third condition. Third condition is f dash minus 1 0. If I substitute minus 1, 3a minus 2b plus c is equals to 0. So from this I can calculate b value. B value is minus 3a. If I substitute b value as minus 3a, how much we get it, guys? 9a, right? 9a plus c is equals to 0 and c is equals to minus 9a. Right, we got the c value also in terms of a. 3000 questions in not in one class, man. 3000 questions, we are doing it from last 7-8 months. From July we are doing 3000 problems. Okay, so already we have completed so many problems. You are coming this class first time. Okay, c value we got it, b value we got it. And what else he gave? These two conditions he gave. These two conditions. F of minus 1 is a 10. So substitute f of minus 1. If you substitute f of minus 1, minus a plus b minus c plus d is equals to 10. So from this we can calculate b value and c value. If I substitute b value and c value, let's see what I get it. So b value is minus 3a, c value is 9a. So minus 9a. So 9a minus 3a, 6a. 6a minus a, 5a. So 5a plus d is equals to 10. This is one equation. Next, another equation. F of minus 1 is f of 1 is minus 6. If I equate f of 1 is minus 6, a plus b plus c plus d is equals to minus 6. From this, again you substitute b value and c value. B value is minus 3a and c value is minus 9a. Minus 9a minus 3a minus 12a. So minus 11a plus d is equals to minus 6. So now from this you subtract these two equations, guys. Let's subtract these two equations. If you subtract these two equations, so what I get it, guys? 16a is equals to 16. That means a is equals to 1. Okay. Once you got a is equals to 1, you can able to calculate d value also. D value is becoming 5 and you can able to calculate all these values. B value is minus 3, C value is minus 9 and substitute all these values here. Finally, f of x, what I am getting it? F of x I am getting it as a x cube. A is what? 1, guys. So x cube plus bx square. Bx square means minus 3x square. Plus cx, c is what? Minus 9, minus 9x. Plus d is 5. Okay, this is f of x. I calculated f of x. Now what he is asking, f of x has local minima. So we need to calculate local minima. Let's differentiate it and equate it to 0. If I differentiate it and equate it to 0, f dash x equals to 3x square minus 6x minus 9 is equals to 0. From this, the roots are how much, guys? Otherwise, you can simplify it like this. X square minus 2x minus 3 is equals to 0. The roots are minus 1 and 3. So, two roots I am getting, guys. That means two critical points I am getting it. Minus 1 and 3. Once I get two critical points, I need to check whether it is local minima or local maxima. Further, what I can do is I can calculate double differentiation. Let's do the double differentiation. If I calculate double differentiation, f double dash x, how much I am getting it? 6x minus 6 I am getting it. So substitute minus 1. If I substitute minus 1, how much I get it? So f double dash minus 1 is minus 12, which is negative. So that means at minus 1, local maxima. Maxima at -1, but he's asking minima, guys. So now let's substitute another critical point, which is 3. So suppose if you substitute the 3 here, so how much you get it? F double dash 3, how much I am getting it, guys? 18 minus 6, positive. So we can say that local minima at x equals to 3. So 3 is the answer. 26th shift, second maths, okay, is hard. That's what you attempted, right, Divyanshu? You attempted 26th second shift only, no? How many questions you attempted? So 3 is the answer, guys. For this question, 3 is the answer. So 24th second shift, right? Yours, okay. 26th second shift is difficult, okay. Yeah, actually, see, few questions are lengthy, but as choices are easily we can able to attempt 20 questions, guys. Out of 30, we can able to attempt 20 questions. If you can able to attempt 20 questions out of 30 questions, we can able to get 80 marks without mistakes if you can attempt 20 questions. 15 to 20, let's say 15 to 20 out of 30 questions, if you can attempt it, then we get good score. Hello, Ramna. Okay, next question. So guys, all these are 2020 questions only. You can observe how many questions we are getting it from applications of derivatives. So 2 questions we get it, guys, from applications of derivatives. So f of x is a polynomial of degree 5 such that x plus or minus 1 are its critical points. That means f dash 1 0 and f dash minus 1 also 0. Correct? And what is it, guys? X equals to 4. If x equals to 4, then which of the following is not true? Okay, something is missing here, guys. I don't know what he is trying to say here. If something is equals to 4, that something is missed. Let's see the solution, what he is trying to give. Okay, here something is missed, guys. This whole thing is missed here. So let's leave this question. So there is a printing mistake here. Let's do the next question, right? So we completed all 2020 questions. Now let's do the 2019 questions. What, Ramana? Is 25th shift 1 is difficult. 25th, that is second day, right? Second day morning shift. No, second day morning shift is not that difficult. It is easy only. Somewhat we can do it easily. So see, compared to 24th first shift, 25th first shift is easy only, guys. Because in the 24th first shift, we are not, so few questions are lengthy in integer type questions. But in 25th shift 1, some of the questions are easy compared to 24th morning shift. Okay, let's see this question. The tangent to the curve at this particular point alpha comma beta and it is parallel to this line. So tangent parallel to this line means what is the slope of this tangent, guys? Slope of this line is how much you're getting it? Minus 2 by 6, which is minus 1 by 3. This is a tangent slope. So now let's calculate tangent slope. But how to calculate tangent slope, guys? So tangent slope is nothing but dy by dx, right? So tell me what we get dy by dx if you apply u by v formula. X square minus 3 whole square and x square minus 3 into differentiation of x 1 minus x into denominator differentiation 2x. So tell me, guys, now you can substitute alpha and beta here. If you substitute alpha and beta here, in place of x you substitute alpha. So what do we get it, guys? X square minus 2x square minus x square minus 3 by alpha square minus 3 whole square. This we should equate it to minus 1 by 3. So now when we cross multiply and simplify this, let's see what I get it. So now minus minus get cancelled. So 3 alpha square plus 9 is equals to alpha power 4 minus 6 alpha square plus 9. Plus 9 cancelled. And how much you get it, guys? Alpha power 4 is equals to 9 alpha square. So alpha square is 0 or alpha square is equals to 9. So that means alpha is equals to plus or minus 3 I am getting it. Why? Because see, alpha should not be equals to 0. That's what he said, right? Alpha should not be equals to 0. So this part got eliminated. So alpha is equals to plus or minus 3. That's what we got it. At 120, what will be the percentile? See, 120 is less score, guys. Maybe you may get 93 or 94 percentile. You may get it, Ramana. But next time you need to give your best for the March attempt so that you can easily increase your score. 120 to 160, 170, you can increase it. Okay, February 25th. Okay, shift 1. February 25th, shift 1 is okay, guys. That is okay. But 120 is a less score only, no doubt about it. So you may get 93 or 94 percentile, but that won't be enough. So you can easily increase 120 to 160 or 170 next time. So March attempt, you give your best. Prepare well all the topics, you just revise it without wasting time. Okay, so we just calculated alpha square value. Alpha square we are getting 9. But we have a relation between alpha and beta, guys. What is the relation between alpha and beta? Beta is equals to alpha by alpha square minus 3. If I substitute this value, alpha square is a 9. So plus or minus 3 by 9 minus 3, which is equals to plus or minus 3 by 6, which is equals to plus or minus 1 by 2. That's what we calculated beta value, right? So that means if alpha is equals to plus 3, if I take it, beta is equals to plus 1 by 2. Same way, if alpha is equals to minus 3, then beta is equals to minus 1 by 2. So substitute any set in the options you can substitute. If you substitute any set of values, which option is satisfying it? I think first option is satisfying, guys. 6 alpha plus 2 beta is equals to 6 alpha is 18, 18 plus 1, 19. Anything else is satisfying? That's it, right? Yeah, that is the only option satisfying. So first option is correct. Yes, guys, I am taking crash course, Ramana. So from Monday, special classes I am taking crash course. For the March attempt, so from March 1st I am planning complete revision of maths in special classes. That is evening 7 to 8:30, guys. Daily evening 7 to 8:30. We'll have special classes. So come and attend these special classes, guys. 7 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. from Monday. So that is from 1st March. Okay, right. Let's see this question. S be the set of all values of x for which the tangent to this curve is parallel to the line segment joining these 2 points, guys. Let's calculate these 2 points. This point is A, 1 comma f of 1. F of 1 is how much, guys? F of 1 is minus 2. Same way, next point B, minus 1 comma. If you substitute minus 1, how much I get it, guys? Am I getting 0? Am I getting 0 if I substitute minus 1? Yes. So 1 comma minus 2 and minus 1 comma 0. So can I calculate slope of the line joining these 2 points? y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So tell me, am I getting minus 1? Slope is minus 1. So tangent should be parallel to this. So that means the tangent slope also minus 1, guys. If I equate tangent 1 to minus 1, so tell me guys, if I equate it, what I get it? Tangent slope is f dash x only, that is a 3x square minus 2x minus 2 is equals to minus 1. So from that I can able to calculate x value. What is it, guys? 3x square minus 2x minus 1 is equals to 0. So x equals to how much we get it? 1 we get it. Otherwise you can verify the options. 1 is there. And what is the other root, guys? Other root is minus 1 by 3. 1 comma minus 1 by 3. Where I am getting it? Third option, right? Yeah, complete syllabus. So complete syllabus crash course will be there. Daily one topic we'll discuss. And NTA mock test will conduct weekly twice. Divyanshu, weekly twice only will conduct NTA mock test. Why? Because already NTA mock test we have conducted so many. So it's time to revise the complete syllabus. So till first mains, till second mains. Right. So this is the next question we have. Tangent to this curve at the point 1 comma 5 is perpendicular to this line. So guys, what is the slope of this line? Slope is equals to plus 1. Then in that case, what is the slope of the tangent? The slope of the tangent is going to be minus 1, isn't it? Why? Because product of the slope should be minus 1. So from this we can say that dy by dx at this particular point. Let's calculate dy by dx. So dy by dx is 3x square plus a at x equals to 1 is equals to minus 1. So if I substitute x equals to 1, 3 plus a is equals to minus 1, a is equals to minus 4. Minus 4 we got it, a value. Now substitute a is equals to minus 4 here. If I substitute a is equals to minus 4 here, and b value also we can calculate, guys. So if I substitute a is equals to minus 4, y is equals to x cube minus 4x minus b. Now if I substitute this point, I can able to calculate b value also. Minus 5 is equals to 1 minus 4 minus b. That means that b is equals to 0. No, right? No, b is not 0. Once again, I am doing wrong. b is equals to 2 now. Yeah, b is equals to 2. Which chapters are important in organic chemistry? Okay. I didn't even remember what are the chapters are there in organic chemistry. Okay. Got it, Prajwal? I forgot periodic table also. Okay. I don't even have knowledge in chemistry. I forgot chapters names also. You're asking me important chapters. Okay, right. So guys, if you substitute this b value here, let's substitute this b value here. If I substitute b value here, I can able to calculate the function equation. So what is the function equation? I'm getting it. That means y is equals to x cube minus 4x minus 2. Okay, this is a given curve equation. Now you can verify the options. If you substitute x equals to 2 minus 2, I am getting it. Second option is satisfying, guys. 2 comma minus 2. That's it, right? So second option is the only option satisfying. Clear? Next question. Tangent to this curve parallel to this line. See. Parallel to this means what is the slope of this, guys? Slope of this line is equals to 2. That means even tangent slope is also 2, right? So 2 is equals to dy by dx is equals to 2x minus 5. So from this x equals to 7 by 2. Correct? So same way, can I calculate y value, guys? Let's substitute x equals to 7 by 2 here. If you substitute x equals to 7 by 2 here, what is the y value, guys? 49 by 4 minus 35 by 2 plus 5 is equals to 4. 49 minus 70 plus 20. So tell me how much we get it. Am I getting minus 1 by 4? That means we got the point, guys. Point of contact, we got it. What is it? 7 by 2 comma minus 1 by 4. With this, can I calculate tangent equation? I know point of contact. I know the slope. Slope I know. Point of contact I know. Can I calculate tangent equation? What is it, guys? Y minus y1 is equals to slope m into x minus x1. Okay, I calculated tangent equation. Once I got tangent equation, can I verify the options? Which option is satisfying? Easily I can able to verify it, right? Right, let's see which option is the answer. Second option is the answer. Let's substitute second option here. If I substitute second option here, 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4. 1 by 2 is equals to 2 times 7 by 2 minus 7 by 2. No, not satisfying, right? Divyanshu, NTA questions are good, right? See, NTA questions are tough questions only. Compared to mains, we can say that NTA questions are tough questions. So we can practice those questions. There are so many papers are there, right? We couldn't complete all the papers. Maybe some 35 papers we completed, I think. 30 or 35 papers we finished. But there are total 109 papers are there, NTA Abhyas app. Okay, so you can download all these papers and you can able to solve all the problems. Solutions also given in that NTA Abhyas app. So daily you can attempt one test and you can solve those questions. You can go through the solutions if you get stuck anywhere. So guys, I am getting wrong somewhere. So let's see where I did mistake. Somewhere I am getting wrong. So he is saying option B is correct. Option B is correct, but looks like option B is not satisfying. So let's substitute any other option. Maybe answer is wrong. Let's substitute another options. If I substitute any other option, let's substitute first option. If you substitute first option, 7 by 2 plus 1 by 4 is equals to 2 times 1 by 4 minus 7 by 2. Positive is equals to negative, not possible. First option cannot be possible. Next, third option, guys. Let's substitute the third option. First option also not satisfying. Let's substitute the third option. Third option is 7 plus 1 by 4 is equals to 2 times 7 minus 7 by 2. So which is equals to 7 minus 7 by 2 is 7 by 2. 7 by 2 into 7 is 7. So this is not equals to this. So third option also gone. Now let's verify the fourth option, guys. Fourth option, if you substitute, so fourth option, if I substitute, minus 7 plus 1 by 4 is equals to 2 times 1 by 8 minus 7 by 2. If I multiply this, minus 7 plus 1 by 4. Yes. Fourth option is satisfying, guys. So answer is fourth option, not second option. Clear, right? Any doubts in this? Right. So second option is wrong, guys. This is by mistake. I think I have ticked second option, but fourth option is correct answer. Right. Let's do the next question. Helicopter is flying along the curve given by this equation. Y is equals to x power 3 by 2 plus 7. So there is a curve something like this. A soldier is positioned at the point 1 by 2 comma 7. So let's say there is a point 1 by 2 comma 7. So we need to calculate. He wants to shoot down the helicopter when it is nearest to him. So this distance, this particular point B. when it is nearest to this, so that AB is minimum. So what is the nearest distance? That's what he's asking, guys. So shortest distance will be always like along common normal. It should be perpendicular. AB should be perpendicular to the curve. So then what is AB? AB is equals to how much? Right. So you can do one thing. You can take this point as x comma x power 3 by 2 plus 7. So you can take it something like this. Now calculate the distance AB. If I calculate the distance AB, how much you get it, guys? Square root of x minus 1 by 2 whole square. X minus 1 by 2 whole square plus x power 3 by 2 whole square. So this has to be least. That means we need to differentiate it and equate it to 0. Let's differentiate it and equate it to 0. 2 times x minus half plus this is x cube, guys. X cube differentiation is what? 3x square is equals to 0. So from this I can say that 3x square plus 2x minus 1 is equals to 0. From this I can able to get the value of x. What is the possible value of x? Minus 1 is one possibility and 1 by 3 is the other possibility. But see, x cannot be negative. Why x cannot be negative? See, clearly he is saying that x is positive. If x is positive, can I eliminate this minus 1 option? So compulsory x equals to 1 by 3 and substitute this x equals to 1 by 3. Otherwise, you can directly substitute x equals to 1 by 3 here also. Substitute x equals to 1 by 3 directly here. So if you substitute x equals to 1 by 3 here, how much we get it? Square root of 1 by 3 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 6 whole square plus here 1 by 3 whole cube, that is 1 by 27. So now let's simplify this. You can take LCM and all. If I take LCM, square root of so tell me, guys, what is the LCM here? 1 by 36 plus 1 by 27. What is going to be the LCM? So can I take 108 as LCM? Why? Because 336 or 108. So we can write it as 3 here and here 4. So 7 by 108. Square root of 7 by 108. So 108 we can simplify it like 6 root 3. So we can write it as root 7 by 6 root 3. So where we get? Third option, right? Right. Right, next question, sixth question. So theta denotes the acute angle between the curves at a point of their intersection. Then what is mod tan theta? So first we'll calculate point of intersection of these two tangents, guys. One is upper parabola, one is lower parabola. So this is like y is equals to 2 plus x square. Another one is y is equals to 10 minus x square. So now when we trying to solve this, subtract these two. If I subtract these two, how much you will get? Otherwise you can equate it. You can equate these two. 10 minus x square is equals to 2 plus x square. So that means 8 is equals to 2x square. I am getting it. X square is equals to 4. That means x equals to 2 comma something and minus 2 comma something, like this. Okay, otherwise here you take minus and here you take plus. So tell me, what is that something, guys? Can I calculate? If I substitute x equals to minus 2 or plus 2, we're getting same thing, which is 6. 2 comma 6 and minus 2 comma 6. So we need to calculate tangents at this particular point. At this particular point, we need to calculate the angle theta. Angle between these two curves. So for that, what I'll do is I will just calculate it m1 and m2, guys. m1 is how much? m1 is dy by dx for the first curve, that is minus 2x. Okay, so at minus 2 is equals to how much we get it? 4 we get it. Same way I'll calculate m2. m2 is second curve dy by dx, which is equals to 2x at minus 2. So what do we get? Minus 4. Now let's calculate tan theta. What is the formula to calculate tan theta, guys? Tan theta is equals to mod tan theta is equals to modulus of m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. So if we can use this formula, what do we get it, guys? 8 by 1 minus 16 modulus, which is equals to 8 by 15. So 8 by 15 I am getting it. Second option. Clear, right? Okay. Physics is easy now compared to maths. I don't think, guys. You need to tell me. I don't know physics. Physics is easy in February. It will be easy in March also. So the standard will be like almost same, guys. Similar standard we can expect in March also. So you can expect similar toughness, similar standard you can expect in remaining exams also, March, April, May. And you can observe one thing, most of the questions are getting repeated. Most of the previous year questions repeated in the question. So you can observe that. So try to complete all the previous year questions before going to second mains. Okay, right. So that's it for today, guys. So second option is the answer. Remaining questions we'll discuss in the next class. So tomorrow we'll have class, guys. Tomorrow night also we'll have class. So tomorrow 9:30 p.m. we'll discuss the remaining questions of applications of derivatives. Okay, right. Chalo, guys. Chalo then. Take care, everyone, and see you in the next session. Take care, guys. Bye bye.